Hey, let me show you how you can connect your Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4 with the two devices at the same time. So that's called the connection management in the application, and when you open it, first you have to be for sure connected with the first device. So in my case, the main device will be the Samsung Galaxy S23, and I connect these headphones to my phone and the Sennheiser application. And now, when I want to connect to the second device, I have to put this one back, then grab the headphones, and I have to find this power button. I have to power off the headphones by holding this power button. There we go. When it's blinking red, it means that they are turned off. Now click and hold one more time until all of these indicators starts blinking. Keep holding. There we go. Now you can release and then put them close to your device. And then on the second device that you want to also connect, you have to enter for the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from the available devices list, you just have to locate the Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4. So select them once, accept the pairing, and now I'm connected back. And then I can click right here to disconnect. There we go. And now if this automatically connection doesn't work, you just have to manually select them from the list. I mean, the Sennheiser headphones, but in my case, they are automatically connected. And right now, if I want to quickly switch from the S23 to the Pixel 7 Pro, all I have to do is just to click on the Pixel 7 Pro on this list of the connection management and take a look. Right now, I'm connected on the second phone. And if I want to disconnect, I have to press here and I will be disconnected. So as you can see, it works really quick. There's no any connection issue. That's really cool feature, especially when you want to connect your headphones, for example, with your TV. And to navigate to the Bluetooth settings in the phone, it's kind of easy because you open the notification panel, click and hold on the finger, and then you can open the Bluetooth settings. But on the TV, you just have to go between a lot of settings to finally reach the Bluetooth settings. And it's definitely easier to navigate from this main device instead of going step by step into the TV settings. And right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.